Hello, I'm Brindon Addy from Brindon Addy's Traditional Butchers and Graziers, and today I'm going to show you the cuts, the primal cuts that come from a side of lamb. With all our meat we have full traceability, so from the ticket we can tell the producer, this has come from our own farm, Carling Farm. It tells us the kill date and it tells us what breed it is. So from that we know every cut then is broken down with the same ticket on, so we can offer full traceability. So there's 4 main primals on the side of lamb. The first one is the leg of lamb. We're going to cut that straight across there. And that's the leg. We're going to take the shank off. This is the shank of lamb. This is a pot roast, a nice winter warmer. Some root vegetables in the bottom, glug of white wine, and then just cook it away, steady away for 3 hours. Sit that on a bed of rustic mash, and that'll be a nice big belly buster. With the main part of the leg, I'm going to bone this out and I'm going to butterfly it. This is a lovely cut, again for a Sunday roast in the oven, or in the summertime it's ideal for barbecuing because it's quite a shallow piece of meat which lends itself to the barbecue very well. So I'm just taking the eyes-in bone out there, which is the hip bone. And we're then going to use the natural seams on the side of the leg bone. Again, just taking that seam down so you can see why it gets its name, the butterfly. So we butterfly that out. Take the leg bone out. So if you just come in and ask us, we can do this for you. Okay, and then we can just nip any excess fat out of there. There's just a lump of fat there. Okay, so that's butterflied, and then what I would do is just puncture that, and I would shove a garlic clove and some rosemary in each one, maybe a little bit of oil, and then roast it in the oven or put it on the griddle plate of a barbecue. We're going to take the shoulder off next, so we're going to count 6 ribs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between the 6th and 7th rib. So from the shoulder, we then just lift this bone out there. This is the rib cage. Just running down the knife down the side of the bone. Taking the paddy whack out of the back of the. That's nice, just pot roasted. Put it on a little wrap with some glass of white wine, root vegetables in the bottom, season it well, put it in the bottom hot oven for half an hour, and then a nice and steady cook for about 4 or 5 hours. If you don't want to use it as a shoulder roast, what we can do is we can take that out, and this is the lamb neck fillet. That can be cut into medallions, or it can be poached in white wine. It's a very nice tender cut, that, when it's poached. So that's the lamb neck fillet. And then this can be cut down, so that trimmed off and used as minced lamb. We can take a shoulder shank off. So that's a shoulder shank, which can be cooked in the same way as the hind shank, which we did previous. And then this is becoming very popular now. These are lamb Henrys. We just cut these down here. On the bone. And cut those into 6. Red wine, mint sauce, red currant jelly. Just brown it off in the frying pan and then put it in the pan with your liquor, and again casserole that for 3 or 4 hours. Absolutely lovely. So we've now got the saddle of lamb. I'm going to remove the belly, put the breast of lamb up there. Do that again. So we're going to remove the breast from the saddle. That's picked off and usually used for mince now, but it is very nice, just slow roast. This is the loin. These are the lamb's kidneys. Lamb's kidneys. Lamb suet. And then that's your lamb. We could bone and roll this and sell it as lamb noisettes, or we could just take some lamb chops off it. And there's your lamb chops.